fresh pa rin naman.
The usual na question, bakit si Shira? Yun ang laging tinatanong pag may bagong endorser.
Sige din, sagot mo. Bakit si Shira?
Bakit si Shira? Well, first of all po, based dun sa presentation kanina and even before we chose kung sino talaga ang magiging first official brand endorser ng Magnific White, we chose the person po who truly imbibes yung energy, yung vision ng brand, which is yung gandang di pinipilit and natural beauty. And we found everything kay Miss Shira Diaz. So we're very lucky to have her as our brand endorser.
Paano anong feeling na ikaw nga ang napili?
Siyempre, flattered. Sir, thank you sa mga wonderful words na sinabi nyo. Pero, siyempre, sobrang honored ako. Sabi ko nga kanina, ang ganda na nakita nila yung natural side ko. Ang ganda na yun yung hinahanap nila, di ba? Hindi tayo nagpapanggap na, alam mo na, syempre, sobrang grateful ako kasi ako yung napili nila. Ang dami-daming artista na mas maganda, mas talented and all. Pero eto, ako yung napili nila. So, sobrang thank you po. Nakakakilig
You're
na
welcome. Thank
first
you also.
official brand ambassador. So, malaking po siya. Malaking bagay po siya para sa akin. Thank you po.
Miss Glenda, talagang gumasos ng bonggang-bongga ang Mana Venture, no? Para lang dito sa launching at same time, 7th year anniversary, diba, Sir T?
Yes. Kasi alam naman natin that we just came out from the hurdles and challenges ng pandemic, di ba? And that simultaneously, gusto rin namin i-reboot, i-relaunch on a much bigger space, ang Mana Venture Plus, M Health, Beauty and Wellness Division. And I think that this is the best timing, and that's the reason why we got Miss Shira Diaz here, because we know siya kasi yung may may representation ng energy, ng youthfulness, ng vibrance ng brand. So, of course, we will not hindi na natin titignan yung what happened in the past, di ba, ng pandemic na yun. We're moving forward to a much more energetic, rewarding economic situation natin ngayon sa buong bansa natin.
Sir Dean, nagtanong-tanong po ba kayo bilang isang marketing head, nagtanong-tanong ba kayo sa mga contractors nyo about getting an endorser? And when you told them na si Shira Diaz ang napili nyo, ano pong reaction nila?
Well, yes, correct, Sir Ray. Kumuha kami ng mga ideas, references, and advice on how we can reboot. Just like Ms. Glenda said, how can we reboot on a much bigger space, now with great influence, on a much better influence, and so we can give confidence doon sa network namin when we revive the brand. So, with regards to your question, yung reaction namin, we're very happy talaga.
Satisfied.
Sobrang satisfied.
We're satisfied.
We're very delighted, and eto na nga, nakita na natin everything turned out well. Nag-pan out na yung mga hopes namin that Ms. Shira will be able to provide the right influence with her character, yung vibrance niya, and the exact energy of what the brands really represent.
Shira, anong meaning sa'yo personally ng gandang hindi pinipilit?
Gandang pinipilit. Being natural, di ba? Being confident kung ano yung meron ka, kung ano yung binigay sa'yo. So, yeah, yun po yung para sa akin.
Tapos, sa dami po ng product ng Mana Ventures, yung lang po bang Magnific White yung kinakarry ni or lahat ng product ng
We actually started with ito yung brand kasi namin, career brand namin, and this is one of the most hardworking brand namin. We're very emotional with this brand, Magnific White, kasi dito kami uli nag-reboot eh. Ito yung jumping board namin, and that's the reason you have seen there are also other brands that we are carrying. In fact, Swiss Image is also one, but we're distributing that in the Philippines through the support of another principal, but it's an imported brand. Yung kay Miss Shira kasi it's different because it's yung gandang pinipilit, ini-espouse namin yun. Kasi ngayon nakikita naman natin na lahat ng beauty ngayon, wala naman, we're not against what's this? Aesthetics and enhancements. We're not against it kasi kahit naman ako gusto ko rin gawin yon. But we would like to transcend beyond what the eyes can see. We want it to be the brand and the product and the endorser should be much more than what your eyes can see. It's more of the inner strength, the courage, the character. Nakikita mo talaga, di ba? She's a versatile actress and she's very jolly. At nandun sa kanya yung hinahanap namin. Because if you're rebooting a particular business, hindi ka naman pwedeng lumabas sa market na phlegmatic ka, di ba? Gusto mo pag ang arrive mo nandun din, di ba? Nandun din yung, kumbaga sa yung linggo na kabog pa rin, di ba? Kabog. So, we think and we believe that she's a very good arsenal. Sabi nga namin, she is our beauty arsenal. Kaya emotional kami dito sa Magnific White na to because ito yung jumping board namin. And we have other brands still that will be coming out in the next coming months and years. So, but definitely, Shaira here will pave the way for our company and for also the consumer market to consider other brands, di ba? Kasi marami naman talagang pagpipilian, no? But syempre, yung endorsement niya will be different.
Si Sunshine kanina nagparinig na, hindi ba, na sana daw maging kasama niya na si Shaira?
What?
So are you considering or the fact na well applauded din kanina si Sunshine?
Yeah, actually, Sunshine is a very good endorser as well. And we can say yes. We can say yes yet. Because it's still in the pipeline, no? We're in the drawing board and we don't know how we will position her. But for now, kasi we're very thankful to Shaira and also to Sunshine and Colleen for guesting and for appearing sa aming intimate runway. So yun lang yun, yung ano namin. And most of all, of course, etong aming ano namin, ang mahal namin ngayon.
Pero
Pinakamamahal
Shaira-
namin.
Gaano katagal ka nag-try na nito, nung Magnific White?
Ay, simula po yung in-inquire po sa akin siya. Kasi gusto ko po, yung i-endorse ko is yung tested ko na, yung proven ko na talagang alam ko na hindi ako mapapahiya. Once na sinabi ko sa mga followers ko na nakakaputi siya, nakakaganda ng balat, hindi siya masakit, which is totoo. Kasi ginagamit ko siya, it's not itchy, hindi siya makati na pampaputi, hindi siya, sobrang parang natural lang niyang
Clear lang natin kung ano yung Magnific White.
Magnific White ay brightening soap po siya. Dalawang variant po siya. Isa po siyang Kojic soap at isa yung glutathione po.
Okay.
So yung dalawa po na yon under my name po sa Magnific White. So yun pong dalawa ay proven and tested ko na. Gaya ng sabi ko, yung mga na-try ko na before na whitening soap, yun ang isa ko napansin, hindi siya mahapde. Hindi siya mahapde. So, wala siyang tapang. At yung kagandahan kasi dito, may vitamins talaga. Yung both soap, infused siya ng vitamin C and vitamin E na kailangan din talaga ng balat natin. Yun talaga yung pampaganda, pampaglow ng balat. So,
So, hindi siya nagda-dry.
hindi po siya nagda-dry. Nourished pa rin siya and moisturized. Plus, yun nga, may vitamins pa.
Ang mga lalaki gumagamit na rin ng pambabaeng soap.
Yes.
So, can we parang
Expect
recommend Magnific White Beauty Bar, beauty soap sa mga lalaki din?
Sorry.
Ay, sorry. Sige po.
Gusto kong sagutin kasi hindi limiting ang brand natin and products natin to women or ladies only or girls. Pwede to kasi across all, na ngayon we already have the metrosexual, di ba?
Yes.
These are men who are really very vain. So hindi na natin pwedeng ilimit lang siya na babae lang talaga eh. And the good thing here is that with the Magnific White and the prices that we have for this, kaya talagang abutin hanggang sa kailalim-ilaliman.
Ikaw ba, Sir Dean, ginagamit mo rin to? Yung pampapogi points?
Hindi ba halata?
Well, to be honest, yes po. Yung glutathione is one of my favorite and I usually recommend yung kojic acid sa mga friends ko. I'm a big fan. Not being biased or anything, but I actually use it.
Yes. At
Is it
saka,
available na po ba sa mga supermarkets or how can we avail of Magnific White and other products of Mana?
Currently, in Mindanao area, we are already available in Amesco Drug. These are drugstores and pharmacies. 35 drugstores and pharmacies in Mindanao, available na po kami. And also with 15 supermarkets, Brigada supermarkets. But in Luzon area, kasi mahirap dahil tayo di ba? Archipelago tayo. So in Luzon area, we have started pipelining the products via our below radar channels. We have the ones that are selling it through the cooperative channels, the affiliate marketing, digital, online. So yung yun talaga yung ano namin, doon kami naglalabas mga produkto namin. Meantime na hindi pa kami nakaka full-blown distribution in the retail area.
Okay. Na-experience na ba ni EA?
Ay, pinagdadamot ko po. Sorry. Sa ngayon kasi yung press launch po last time, medyo limited pa lang yung stocks na meron ako. Pero kasi pinamahagi ko siya sa mga assistant ko. Especially yung may mga meron silang skin problems, may mga acne sila. And then, I'm very happy nung ginamit nila, walang halong biro, promise, hope to die. Nung ginamit nila, binalikan nila ako. Sabi nila, ate, ang ganda po ng soap. Nag-lighten po yung skin ko and yung yung pimples nila. As in, sabi ko, well talaga. Sabi ko, oo, promise po, nangihingi pa. Kaya sobrang happy ako na itong Magnific White, inuohan ko. Kasi alam ko hindi ako mapapahiya. And it served its purpose po talaga.
Last
So, as-
question lang po, sorry.
As endorser, mag-expect ba kami na maraming billboards, commercial ni Shaira?
Well, we are hoping kasi with the likes of Shaira, syempre we want it to be full-blown talaga ang aming
Okay.
endorsement din sa kanya, and we want to take care of her also, not just lang sa print and sa mga posters, but hopefully sa billboard next time.
So,
Ano yung-
reaction na lang.
Reactions.
Malaking tulong to sa kanya.
Nakaka-excite po ako. Siyempre, parang ano po siya, give and take po to. Kung ganito po sila ka-supportive sa akin, ganito na lang ako i-launch ang bongga-bongga at syempre gagastusan nila ako. Syempre, ganun din ako sa kanila. All out, syempre bibigay ko rin yung best ko para matulungan yung products at makilala sa nationwide. Syempre. So, yun naman yung gusto natin, yung makilala yung brand natin kasi ang ganda. Ayaw natin masayang, di ba?
Bakit naging successful in 7 years ang Mana at parang hindi siya naapektuhan ng pandemic? For sure naapektuhan din pero hindi talaga sumadsad ng gusto.